Hey guys, it's Luna here. Today we're making beef and broccoli stir fry. First, we're gonna use very thinly sliced top sirloin beef, seasoned with some soy sauce, garlic and ginger powder, and salt and pepper. Then you add this cornstarch right into your mixture and you really mix it up. I learned this skill or secret while I was working in a sushi restaurant owned by Chinese people, and it works like magic and beef always come out so tender. So after you season with cornstarch and another ingredient, you let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes and you fry them in a nice amount of oil. When it's all cooked up, you're gonna wash the starch by just literally washing it with the water. Oh yeah. And that is ready to use to stir fry. Then I'm gonna use some garlic and ginger and onion nicely chopped. Stir fry, then add your beef first, then a broccoli right into my pan. Just like that. Then I'm adding some sugar, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. And that gives nice flavor together. And season it with some salt and pepper for your taste.
Some water.
And I'm gonna add some cornstarch mixed with water. Mix. Then pour right it into my pan and mix it. And that gives nice glazed Chinese restaurant stir fry. And add it with some white rice, and there comes your dinner. Happy cooking!